Ever wondered who invented alarm clocks? The real story might surprise you. Over 2,000 years ago, the ancient Greeks used water clocks that dripped into metal pans, waking people with sound. In 1787, Levi Hutchins from New Hampshire built a personal alarm clock, but it only rang at 4 a.m. The real game changer came in the late 1800s, when mechanical alarm clocks were mass-produced in Europe and America. Today, your smartphone is your alarm, but it all started with dripping water and a guy who never slept in. Next time you wake up to your alarm, remember, it's an invention over 2,000 years in the making. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, hit like, subscribe, and share.